Alright, start off by making a new blueprint class actor. I'm going to name this moving platform. And then open that up. I'm going to add a cube here, and I'm going to resize that. And then I'm going to add a material. And now we're going to go up here and add a box collision. Resize that. And then add interp to movement. And I'm going to set the duration to 3 here with 2 control points. The second one I'm going to have 900 on X, 700 on Z. Unclick sweep. And then you got your behavior types there. You can turn off auto activate. And then click your box and get the on component begin overlap. Get your begin play. Get your player character. Cast to BP third person character. Right click and promote to a variable. And then see if it's equal to your character into a branch. Then from the true we're going to get a do once. Get your movement out. Drag from there and activate. Plug that in. Compile, save that. Now I just have it doing a one shot right now for the behavior type. So it'll go up and then it'll stop. Then you can open that back up and go to the movement. Just change it to ping pong if you want it to keep going. Thanks for watching.